If you've ever watched a video on Facebook and later wanted to find it again but couldn't remember where it went, you're not alone. With the latest Facebook update on PC, your searched videos are still there. You just need to know where to look. In this quick guide, I'll show exactly how to find all the videos you've searched for, step by step. First, go ahead and open Facebook on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so everything is accessible. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on it to open the drop-down menu. From that menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand another set of options. Next, click on Activity Log. This is where Facebook stores a detailed history of your actions, including the things you've searched for. Now that you're inside the activity log, look for the section that lets you filter your activity. You may need to scroll a bit or use the sidebar menu to find it. From there, locate and click on videos you've searched for. Once you open this section, you'll see a list of all the video searches you've made on Facebook. This is super helpful if you're trying to revisit a video you didn't save or want to track your viewing activity. You can scroll through the list and click on any entry to revisit that content. And that's it. Just a few clicks, and you can easily access your entire video search history on Facebook using your PC. If you found this helpful, make sure to keep this method in mind the next time you lose track of a video you liked.